Hello, Clever Cubs! Let's have a fun math quiz. Let's add and have fun. 2 apples plus 1 more apple. What's the answer? Hurry up before the timer finishes. Time's up. The correct answer is 3 apples. There are 3 dogs plus 1 more dog. What's the answer? Hurry up before the timer finishes. Time's up. The correct answer is 4 dogs. 3 cars plus 2 cars. How much is it? Hurry up. Good job. It's 5 cars. 2 ice creams plus 2 ice cream. How much is it? Hurry up.
Yummy, yummy.
The correct answer is 4 ice creams. Good job. 6 stars plus 1 star. How much is it? Hurry up. Total 7 stars. Good job. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.